Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Naida Faujiah. In this video, I will let you know about some explanation of discussion material 1, 2, and 3. The first, linguistic. Linguistic is discussion about what language is. How about the language? Language is something which is used by human being or people in order that they can communicate it to each other. And communication. Communication is interaction between two people in order that they can share information. Communication had two types, the first verbal communication and then non-verbal communication. Verbal communication not use non-verbal aspect. Non-verbal communication use writing system. The next, phonetics. Phonetics is a branch of linguistics that studies how human produce and perceive sounds. Example, the letter B in the word bed is spoken, bed. And then consonant. Consonant is a speech sounds that is articulated complete. Example, B, T, G. And a diphthong. Diphthong is a sounds made by combining two vowels, specifically when it starts as one vowel sounds and goes to another, like oi in the sounds oil. And then vowels. Vowel is a particular kind of speech sounds made by changing the shapes in the area in the mouth above the tongue. Example, moon.
I'm Fira Dewi Rahmasari, and here I would like to continue the material explanation of this course about diacritic and prosody or suprasegmental features, phonology and phonotactic. So what is diacritic? Diacritics are marked placed above or below a letter in a word to indicate a particular pronunciation. For the example like this. And the next prosody. Discussion covers about syllable, stress, length, and pitch. Syllable is a phonological unit composed of one or more phonemes. Stress is a degree of emphasis given a syllable. Length is a duration, like vowels E and E in the word sit and sit. And pitch consists of tone and intonation. Next is phonology. There are branches of linguistics that dealing with the meaningfulness aspect of language sound. The material to be discussed in phonology there are phonemes are sounds which make a word meaningful. Allophones is a variation from phonemes, and then free variation. Pronunciation of a word in language sometimes has variations. For example, in the word tomato can replace tomato. Next, distinctive features. The characteristic of a sentence phonemes or sentence sound, like in the Lenis versus Fortis, make p and b is distinctive. Next, grapheme phoneme correspondence. It is a rule that governs the relationship between letters and phonemes that are represented. The last material is phonotactic. Phonotactic is a rule that regulates the order of phonemes that can be present in the speech of a language. For example, all consonants in English can be onset except ang.
Morphonemics actually is the area between phonology and morphology. So what is morphology? Morphology is a branch of linguistics which is dealing with how to construct, how to structure, and how to build word. So morphonemics is the discussion about sound alternation or sound changing or sound replacement in word information process. And then assimilation. Let me give example in Indonesian language. There is prefix me plus lakukan there is prefix me plus lakukan becomes melakukan. So the definition of assimilation is sound replacement when certain sound change in order that becomes similar or becomes the same. What is the phonology? Phonology is the language, the deletion of syllable which is similar. Okay, those are our presentation. So thanks for your watching. We do apologize. The last we say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.